January 29, 2026. I was taking a slow, quiet drive around the Noyo Harbor boat basin in Fort Bragg, California, just enjoying that rare kind of stillness you only get on a calm afternoon. The boats were settled, the water was soft, and everything felt peaceful enough to whisper. Then the silence cracked wide open. A whole jumble of sound came rolling across the harbor, like a playground full of volume. I pulled over to see what was going on, and there they were, a dozen or more sea lions piled onto a floating dock. Some were stretched out like kids taking a nap, some were joyfully splashing and playing, and a few were squabbling like impatient siblings who all wanted the same spot. The dock was riding so low it looked like it was begging for mercy, but those sea lions didn't care. They were busy celebrating life in every possible mood, resting, playing, arguing, all of it loud and alive. I stood there listening, and before long their chaos turned into something else. It felt like joy, pure, simple joy, and I found myself smiling right along with them. Not the quiet afternoon I expected, but a pretty wonderful one all the same. Thanks for spending a little time with me today. I appreciate every one of you who keeps coming back to share these moments along the Mendocino Coast. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you along for the ride. You can subscribe for free by clicking on my picture at the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.